Social Cam, what up?
What up?
Social Cam, what up?
Social Cam, what up?
They go to crew, walking up. And we at the Riverwalk downtown, you feel me? About to do a little detour, you feel me? Have a family day out in this cold ass weather. What's up, Mark?
What up, what up?
What's good? Tell the fans what up.
What up?
What up? Say hi to Social Cam, y'all. That's my Isha. Hey, that's cousin.
You can't be saying my name on TV, you know, I'm famous.
Here she go. That's my Isha, aka Hoops. So you ever see her? She at the Bus Club every Sunday. Monday to Sunday.
Funny.
I used to be a used to.
I never got used to
Being what I used to.
be.
My nigga Big Bills. Hey.
Oh, everybody, that's my cousin Courtney.
Hey, Courtney, say hi to Social Cam.
Hi, Courtney.
Oh, she don't want to say hi to Social Cam. It's cool. So, yeah. We taking them really tall, you know. Taking a nice little long walk. My shoe, my motherfucking jacket on. She been having this bitch for like 2 months. This day. Hey, she got my favorite color on, green. Hey. Niggas on bikes. We don't do that no more.
When we walk, nigga, we walking.
Yeah, we walk. That's what we do. It's either walk or drive. Pick one. Y'all see how our beautiful city is, the water.
I need one of these.
You see the buildings.
I want to know, why do we get on this damn stupid power walk?
Nigga, it's cold. We trying to get warm. What's up, little man? What's up, little man? He like, what the fuck? Look at that shit over there.
You see Canada?
Canada.
Take me to Canada, bitch.
Hey, though, real talk. It's like only 2 parts of Canada you can go at 18 to drink.
19 rules.
Yeah, everything 19. That's dog ass buildings right there. Look at that sunset. Hey, we gotta get everything.
Now we gonna get my Aisha out here trying to function when we stop.
Hey, why you here to the function? Hit that shit up, hit that shit up, Hawk, hit that shit up. Come on, Hawk, what's up? Come on. We out here trying to. Oh man.
We leaving Deja.
What's up? Real nigga, what's up? Hey.
What's up?
Come on, Deja. Got your feet all out. I know y'all feet's cold.
My feet actually not cold.
Your feet ashy as hell, though.
It finally does.
Oh, yeah,
Them toes.
Sasha Cat, them towels. Every time we come out here, why we be acting ass?
Right. Every time.
Y'all don't know how to act. I don't even know how to act. They don't never know how to act.
Who's we? Last time you was on that tip. Last time you was on that tip.
First of all, go ahead. First of all, I don't like that Baywatch. So find out.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Team Flight, we in the building.
Team Flight, we in the building.
Rebellious, bitch.
Hey, that's the GM building in the D, nigga. Damn, them bitches is huge over there. Alright, we want to hit y'all back, Social Cam. We're about to have some private family time.
Hey, we need to be making a video for the Bad Girls Club, okay? But not like that.
Tell them bitches what's up. Tell them bitches what's up.
We gotta wait till it get hot outside.
No, yeah, tell the bitches what's up right now. Tell the bitches what's up. This is my issue. Y'all might see her on Bad Girls Club later on this year. Hey, it's going down. Team Flight. Now with them shoes on. Boo. Hey.
It's like we killing everybody.
Hold on. If you ever see her on Bad Girls Club, oh shit, son. Got you on Social Cam. Woo! Hey, I used to be in you. When I do that, real nigga, what's up? Oh man. All right, Social Cam, we gotta get back at y'all. There's some shit going down. All right, nigga.